In this video, you'll learn how to check in on the Qatar Airways app in just a few minutes so you can skip airport lines and start your trip stress-free every time you fly. First, open the App Store or Google Play and download the official Qatar Airways app. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Privilege Club account or continue as a guest if you prefer. Next, on the main screen, tap the Check-in option in the menu. You'll be asked to enter your booking reference, which is the 6-letter code from your confirmation email, along with your last name to find your reservation. Now, the app will display your flight details. Confirm everything is correct, including your seat, meal preferences, and travel documents. You can also add or update your passport information if it's required for your destination. After that, choose your seat. The Qatar Airways app shows you a live map of available seats, so you can pick exactly where you want to sit, whether you prefer the window, aisle, or extra legroom. Once you've completed your check-in, your boarding pass will appear instantly inside the app. You can save it to your phone's wallet, use it directly at the airport, or print it if you prefer paper. And that's it. You've checked in on the Qatar Airways app and you're ready to fly smoothly with everything organized in your phone.